Yes, my people, good day. Start my car up and I have all types of messages on the dash. We have a brake fluid light that keeps coming up, stability control light, brake light on. All of these could be just related to the same thing, very possible. So we'll take a look. So when we take a look in with scanner, boom, we're going at the ABS system, brake fluid level switch circuit malfunction. It said the switch circuit malfunction. It didn't say it's low. One of the things I like is I can go into live data and see what it's reading. I need to scroll down. Okay, there we go. Brake fluid level, and it says it's low. Wonder if it's low for you. Highlight that and just show it. So it's just showing us that low. Let me go outside and take a look. Look a little low. Always read the cap and so it read. And this says that 3 or 4 brake fluid. Okay, look at that read. Enough. Wow. Yo, that's crazy. Enough. So we know the sensor working. We know the circuit's working. But it said it wasn't working. But it was low. Why was it low? So now we're going to check brake pads, calipers and them stuff. Make sure we don't have no fluid leaks. Because she said that she keep on getting this message and they have to keep topping it off. So let's go. All right, let's erase these codes and see what happens. Erase code, turn ignition off, no fault codes. All right, let's start this thing up. See what the dash look like. Woo, boy, look at that. Look at that. A little low brake fluid made this whole dash light up like crazy. Take it for a test drive now just to make sure. Yeah, man, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, bless. Yeah.
And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.